Namaste dosto. Today we are building a PC that cost exactly 30,000. We aren't using cheap processors whether you want to play Valorant, edit videos or finish your college projects. This build is perfect balance for paisa vasool performance. Let's get started. For our CPU, we have the Ryzen 5 5600 GT. This is the better than older 5600G because it has higher clock speed. It came with built-in Radeon graphics, so no need to spend 15k on separate GPU right now. We are mounting this in a GIGABYTE A520M motherboard. It is a rock solid, budget-friendly board that supports the Ryzen 5 5000 series right off the box. And the RAM and storage, to keep the budget tight, we are starting with 8GB of HP DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, and if you have extra 1800 later, add another 8GB stick and dual channel power. For storage, we are being smart. We have 240GB consistent SSD for the Windows and the main app, so the PC turns in seconds. For our heavy games and movies, we added 500GB WD hard drive, speed plus space at the best price. To power everything, we are using 550W PSU from Foxin. While the system only need about 200W, having a 550W unit keeps the headroom. If we want to add dedicated graphic card like 2050, even 3050, later everything goes inside Foxin ATX cabinet. It's basic, it's clean, and it gets the job done without breaking the bank. Okay, come to the real talk. Performance check. Valorant expects 100 plus FPS and low medium settings. In GTA 5, we get a very level 50 to 60 FPS for the studying. For students using Premiere Pro or Photoshop, this 5600 GT handles multitasking like a champ. So if you have 30k rupees and want to build a PC that you can upgrade in the future, this is it. We've linked all these parts at the description below. What you change in this build? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next budget builds. See you in the next one.